Hello everyone, myself Pooja Kate from Vidyaniketan College of Pharmacy, Lakhewadi. In this video, we are discuss about the cell topic. First we see the learning objective. Learner should be understand the structure of cell. Learner should be understand the composition of cell and learner should be understand the function of each cell organelle after watching this video. Let's start our topic. Cell. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Cell is made up from the protoplasm. Protoplasm is opaque, colorless, soft jelly-like substance containing water and large number of substance in solution. In following image, you can see the protoplasm. Protoplasm is covered by the layer that is known as cytoplasmic membrane. The nucleus also present in the cell. The protoplasm present inside the nucleus is called as a nucleoplasm, and the protoplasm present inside the cell but outside the nucleus is called as a cytoplasm. Means protoplasm is equal to cytoplasm plus nucleoplasm. Let's see composition of cell. Cell consists of two main parts. First is the nucleus and second one is the cytoplasm. Nucleus consists of DNA, nucleoli and chromatin. The nucleus is covered by the membrane that is known as a nuclear membrane. The cytoplasm consists of endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, mitochondria, centriole, ribosome, lysosome and microtubules. That cytoplasm is covered by the membrane. That membrane is known as a cytoplasmic membrane. As we see, the cell is the structural and functional unit of life. Then can you guess what will be the function carried out by cell? Pause the video and write your answer and then play video. Let's see function of each cell organelle. First is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm consists of many cell organelle. First one is the cytoplasmic membrane, that is a plasma membrane. Cytoplasmic membrane is the outermost layer of the cytoplasm. It is a covering membrane. It protects the cell from its environment, separate the interior of cells from the outside environment, act as a sieve which having pores on the surface. Means cytoplasmic membrane having a pore on their surface. So it act as a sieve. It allowed to pass many substance across it. Next cell organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum. Layer of cytoplasmic membrane are folded inward, forming a vehicle close to the surface, and inward projection penetrate into the center of the cell. This complex organelle made up from two subunits, that is rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum having ribosome on their surface, and smooth endoplasmic reticulum, it does not have ribosome on their surface. Next cell organelle is the Golgi apparatus. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum lack of ribosome and function in lipid synthesis but not metabolism is called as a Golgi apparatus. A major function is the modifying, sorting and packaging of protein for the secretion. It is also involved in transport of lipid around the cell and the creation of the lysosome. The next cell organelle is the mitochondria. It is small intracellular organelle which are surrounded by double layer membrane. Inner layer is infolded to form a shells. On that shells, oxidative enzymes are absorbed. When nutrient and oxygen come in contact with that enzyme, that is oxidative enzyme, then they combine and form carbon dioxide, water and liberate the energy. That liberated energy is used to synthesize ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. that ATP is diffused inside the cell and liberate the energy to perform cellular function. That's why mitochondria is called as powerhouse of cell or storehouse of energy. Let's see function of the mitochondria. Production of energy, cellular respiration, store calcium and help in cell apoptosis process. Next cell organelle is the lysosome. Lysosome is a membrane-bound cell organelle that contain digestive enzyme. Lysosomes are involved in various cell processes. They break down the excess or worn out the cell parts. They may be used to destroy invading viruses and bacteria, so it is called as a suicidal bag. Function of the lysosome: intracellular digestion, removal of dead cell, role in metaphoresis, help in protein synthesis, help in fertilization, role in osteogenesis. Next cell organelle is the microtubule. Microtubule are microscopic hollow tubes made up from protein alpha and beta tubulin that are the part of the cell cytoskeleton. A network of protein filament that extend throughout the cell gives the cell shape and keeps the organelle in place. Function of the microtubules: giving shape to the cell and cellular membrane, contraction in the muscle cells, and transportation of specific organelle. Next cell organelle is the nucleus. Nucleus is covered by the membrane and that membrane is known as nuclear membrane, and the protoplasm present inside the nucleus is called as a nucleoplasm. It is similar to cytoplasmic membrane but having large pore. The nuclear membrane, also called the nuclear envelope. It is a double membrane layer that separates the content of the nucleus from the rest of the cell. It is found in both animal cell and plant cell. Deoxyribonucleic acid, that is a DNA. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is a long molecule that contains our unique genetic code. It is a double helix structure. DNA is our genetic material. Next, nucleoli. The nucleolus is the largest structure in the nucleus of eukaryotic cell. It is best known as the site of ribosome biogenesis. The nucleolus is the part of nucleus responsible for the assembly of ribosome, which then are exported to the cytoplasm to do their work in assembling protein from the mRNA. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.